Ready to prank your friends on Discord with a totally new voice? First, make sure you have Discord open and a voice channel selected. This tutorial will guide you through adding exciting new voices to your Discord conversations without any complicated setups. The most popular way to get a voice changer for Discord is by downloading specialized software. We'll focus on a user favorite, but keep in mind there are several excellent options available. Download your chosen voice changer software from its official website. Once the download is complete, run the installer. Follow the on-screen prompts, generally just clicking next to proceed through the installation wizard. After installation, open the voice changer application. You'll see a variety of preset voices you can experiment with. Click on one to hear a preview of how it sounds. Now, let's connect it to Discord. Go to your Discord user settings, accessible by the gear icon near your username, and then navigate to the Voice and Video tab. Under the Input Device section, you'll need to change the selected microphone. Look for an option that corresponds to your voice changer software's virtual microphone. It might be named something like Voicemeeter, Input, or the name of your specific voice changer. Before joining a Discord call, ensure your voice changer software is activated. Most programs have a simple toggle or button to turn the voice modification on or off. Make sure this is enabled. Now, jump into a Discord voice call, speak into your microphone, and you should hear your voice transform through the selected voice changer effect. Experiment with different voices and have fun surprising your friends. And that's it. You've now successfully integrated a voice changer with Discord. Remember to check the specific instructions for your chosen software, as some might have slightly different configurations. Enjoy endless hours of voice altering fun on Discord.